It's not even showing the top of my head. I gotta back up. Okay, I'll just back up then. Hey y'all, it's me, Derry. Welcome back to my channel. So tonight I am cooking. I am making some baked chicken, and I'm trying to debate on if I should do yellow rice or white rice. I'm probably gonna do yellow rice. It's gonna be real quick, simple, and easy. Okay y'all, so I'm about to clean my chicken. It's gonna be some drumsticks. All right y'all, here's my chicken. There's drumsticks. I actually have 2 of these that I'm making because we like leftovers. So I'm just gonna take the chicken and I'm gonna clean it in some vinegar and water. All right y'all, so my chicken is clean. Now I'm about to season it. All right, so I only have 2 of these left, so I'm gonna use both. I have two dishes with chicken because we like leftovers and it makes my life easier. So I'm actually gonna cook this chicken on, I'm gonna sear this chicken in the pot first, and then I'm gonna stick it in the oven. But let's season it. I'm gonna use the Sazón Goya. I only have 2 left, so I'm gonna use them. Oops. All right, I have some thyme leaves. Well, I'm actually not going to use that. I'm going to wait until I bake it and then I'm going to add the thyme. But I'm going to use some chicken bouillon. Black pepper. Granulated onion or onion powder is fine. Who hit you?
Yazzie hit me.
Complete.
Yazzie hit me too.
Nazi. We're gonna use some paprika.
Yay! 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 Yeah! 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 Yeah!
I know this looks like I'm putting like a lot of seasoning on it because I am, but I'm not adding like a lot of salt or anything. There's salt in the Goya and there's salt in the chicken bouillon, but there's no salt in anything else. Well, there's a little bit in the complete, but it's not like that. Not enough to make your food salty, in my opinion. I'm also using some curry powder. So I'm kind of making like curry chicken, but it's not gonna be like with the gravy. Then I have some granulated garlic. Right. Be good on that. Now I'm going to, well, I'm actually going to add some avocado oil. And then I'm going to mix it up.
Yeah.
Alright y'all, so I'm not gonna use much oil in this pan because I put oil on the chicken already. So I'm gonna just put a little bit, just enough to like, just enough to kind of coat the bottom of the pan a little bit. I preheated my oven, y'all, to 425. Alright y'all, so the pan is hot and I'm gonna add the chicken. Now, I'm not trying to like cook the chicken all the way through. I'm basically just searing the outside. That's a big drumstick.
Ow!
What you yelling about?
Ow!
Try not to move your chicken. Try not to move your chicken after you already placed it in the pan. That's all I'm gonna do for right now. Alright y'all, so the chicken is cooking. I actually need to put my rice on. I need to put my rice on, so I'm gonna do that. Alright y'all, here's my pot for my yellow rice. I'm actually gonna cut up some vegetables first because sometimes my kids stop it. Sometimes my kids they're picky eaters, but there's 2 of my kids that I know for sure. 3 of my kids, 3 of them that I know for sure are gonna eat rice. So I'm gonna cut up some bell peppers and put it in the rice so that I know for sure that they're getting vegetables. Oh yeah, y'all, so I did add a little bit of water to both pans of chicken. Here's the chicken. All done. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the cauliflower. I gotta show y'all the rice. And here's my yellow rice with my veggies in it. Okay y'all, so that's the end of this video. Thank y'all for cooking with me. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments. Like, share, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.